What's up guys, I'm back with another video. I am actually going to be making Stream Deck icons, custom made, what I do. I didn't want like the same type of icon but different wordings on my Stream Deck, so I looked up how to make my own customs, and I found a video and I will link that down below if y'all guys need it. But some of the icons that I just made, it looks like this or this. I'm gonna show y'all in a few, so if y'all guys want to see, keep on watching. Okay, I make it off of Canva. You go to the home screen and oh, this is cute, I didn't even notice that. But you go to logo and you see all the little logos and stuff like that. You guys can make your icons and stuff with, or regular logos for businesses and stuff like that. So right now I am going to make icons. So let's see, hold on, I'm scrolling. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I'm going to change it from queen to stream. So my stream is gonna start soon. This is my stream thing. Hold on, let me adjust it. There you go. And then that's what my stream is starter. To start my stream, I have a little button. No, stream start button. Let me do button. Okay, let's do that. This came out kind of cute. Okay, let me adjust this to make it look decent. And there you go. And then you can change the color of the background, whatever you want, whatever color you want. I just choose to stay with white. And then you go right here to elements I meant. Oh my god, that sounds stupid. But you go here and you go ahead and pick whatever elements you want. But you can go ahead and click and type in animated, and it will pop up a whole bunch of animated. Oops, sorry guys, I have a little itch. But you can go and type in animated, and you see all the animations that is here. So, oh, I didn't know that. Okay, let me change the color to this little animation because the background's already white. I can't change it. Okay. Nope. Okay, I think that looks decent. Join us. Nope. Let me change the color background. Actually, you know what? Let me make it picture. Let me make it black. No, actual full-on picture black. No. Cancel. There you go. Now make it black. Damn. Made the letterings white. And make this. And I can't make that white, but stream. Move it up. And then let me do little decorations, but let me put it back. So you go to these three, you click the item, you go and do layers, and you do backwards. And it's behind the picture. I think it's a little too much though. Okay. That's fine. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Hold on. Oh, this came out very cute. I'm trying to find something that will look nice, but I like this one. I don't know. I'm starting to not like the star anymore, but we could do copy, make it another copy, and then write something else. Let me do start stream. Start. And I don't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna delete it. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. This is a little annoying. Nope. Ooh, purple. Then go ahead and get the wording. Ooh. Okay, make it white. And then, start stream button. I think I spelled button wrong, but, oh no, I didn't, never mind. Then let me get little stars, little animation stars. Go back to animated, and you scroll until you find what you want. Nope, I don't like the way those look. Stars. Look up animated stars and it will pop up whatever stars you would like. You can click it. No, I don't like the way they look. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to that one, and I remember picking ones earlier. This one. Got cute. It came out very cute. Let me put something behind, hold on, let me put it back. And now I'm able to grab the thing, so let me go ahead and put this back too. Let me make this like a, let me change the lettering color to a gray. No, I don't like the way that looks. Let's do pink. this is too much. Ooh, this came out cute. Okay, I like that. So we can go ahead and find a little cute little icon, or I mean icon, a little picture right here. Let me look animated. Okay. Ooh, star. Look how cute. Oh, let me go ahead and make a copy and then stick him up here. Oh, this came out cute. So let's starting stream button. So no, let's do a GIF. You gotta go ahead and after you're done with your little creation that you did, you go ahead and since I have the app, I go to click share and then click download, and you always make sure you go to GIF and click it. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys how to put this into the stream. Start stream button. And number two, when you guys go ahead and make your little icons and stuff like that, make sure you write what it is as the name, because so many times I sat there and went and made like little icons and stuff like that, and I can't find it because I just put it as regular image or the wording or the name that the app sent it to my folder with. So I put the name starting stream button, and I have it in my folder right now, so as you can see. And then now I'm going to add a page, and we're gonna make another one. So this is going to be my start. The stream has started. Picture and stuff like that. So I kinda meant my bad. Um, this is kinda cool. Not gonna lie, but I know what to put for that anyway. Have an animation up here that I just seen that looks just like that. Ta-da. And then I could change the wording to stream is starting soon. I don't like the way it looks. I kind of like this though. Hold on, let me copy this and then starting soon. Let me change the coloring of this and make it like a pink or something, like a color that you can, not that one, fuck. Hold on, let me change this. Actually, I can keep it pink. It's fine. hold on. There you go. That's what I was looking for. A little. Ooh, there you go. And I like the way this came out a little bit. Hold on, let me change the color. I like it. It came out cute. So let's download it and download it as a GIF. No, just page 2. Okay. You gotta always, if you like opened up, like if you add another page, you gotta always, when you do the GIF, you gotta make sure you select the page, because if not, it will download both of them and you don't need both of them right now. So go ahead and download that one. You'll be good. You gotta wait until it's done downloading and then type the name that it is in the folder, and then I'll show you guys my other ones. I gotta make one more and I'm good. You guys can make whatever color, whatever thing you guys want. Let me delete this just in case, because I feel like it downloading that too. Did it download that? I don't know, but okay, which one is this one? Oh, stream is coming soon. You know how many stream is coming soon stuff I have on this computer is not even funny. But let me go ahead and come back and make sure you delete that. And you go back up to designs and you pick which design you want. Oh, this is like Chick-fil-A, no, not Chick-fil-A, Chipotle's design. I think this is where they got it from. That'd be crazy if they did. Oh, this is pretty. And this is going to be my straight live screen. Screen number 2. Okay, let me write screen and stuff in here because I didn't like the way it looked. Oh, oops. 2. And make this larger. And then change the color of the background to like a cute color. Nope, I don't like the way those look. Oh, heck no. Okay, let me change the color to the to the name. And this one too. No, that's too much. I don't like the logo. Okay, ooh. Okay, ooh. Then we could type down here, ending soon. Is, oh, apples is ending soon. It's ended. Has ended, I'm at, oh. Keep accidentally typing the wrong stuff. Has ended. There you go. Make it over here, and then I know the perfect little emotes. Little things to put over this. Where is it though? Perfect, there you go. I think that's so cute. Okay, let me change the color of the background to like a darkish color. There you go. So you could see the little sparkles and stuff next. So now I'm going to go ahead and um so I made other ones, but I'm gonna show you guys um the ones that I made now and how you put it in and stuff like that. It's not that hard. I'm sorry guys. I am a little itchy. You know how like you get that little itchy spot in the back of your back, the back of your back, the back of on your back I meant, and it's literally itching you like crazy, but you can't scratch. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of Canva. Not exit out, but I made it. I disappeared for a few. So I click my. These are all the other ones that I made. So you go to the little button right there, the little arrow, and this is the start stream thing, the button, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other ones. And then here's this one. And no, this, oh, I forgot to do the end, oops. Thank God I didn't delete the, get rid of this. So I got one more I had to make. I didn't notice until now. Um, oh, this is cute right here. No, that's too, like, simple. I look at the go. Sorry, I had a moment. Oh, I like the way that came out. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm just a little sleepy. Okay, oh no, go back, go back. Live. Kept the E. Screen. Number 2. Come on. What the freak? Oh, I thought my boyfriend texted me. My bad, guys. Number 2. I like the way this came out. It's cute. Okay, let me put a little element on it so you guys can see it. Make it a little smaller. And layer it in the back. No, I don't like the way it came out. It came out kind of stupid. Okay, let me go back to elements and go to animated. And then find one that looks nice on this type of look. No, that looks retarded. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Let me change the color, hold on. That's a decent, it's not too gray, but it's not too white either. So it's like in the middle. So I'm going to have this as my number 2 screen. this one right here. Hold on. This one, because I forgot to make one. So I'm waiting until it downloads. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried my best, to explain it as best as I can. So, no, live, screen, number 2. There you go. There you go, hold on. Live screen number 2. There you go. And it came out so cute. So I wish I could zoom into this, but I can't. But if you guys want more videos of like how to do stuff, go ahead and link it in the not description, the comments down below, and I'll get to you as best as I can. Okay. Thank you for watching, and that's how you go ahead and make little icons for your Stream Deck. So I'm gonna show y'all if I'm able to show y'all. You see this one? It's moving, but the other ones for some reason you can't see it because I think it's too bright. But I hope y'all guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see y'all guys next time. Deuces.